Hello everyone, this is Luna from Luna Codex. Today I'm going to show you how to run and deploy the AI resume analyzer in deployment platforms. Today I'm going to use the free platform as a service provider, Vercel and the render to deploy our frontend and the backend. At first, you have to make sure your code is ready in local and you have run it and you can see the results in the local server. Now you are going to add your to the remote repo that you have created. You can push the code by following the given commands, git commands, and you can, if for the further updates, you can add it here to deploy the backend and the front end. For backend, I chose render. You can go render.com and log in. If it is asked to connect with GitHub, give the permission so that it would be taking the code directly from the GitHub, and whenever the changes are uploaded or updated into the GitHub branch that you have mentioned, it would be using it. So first you have to create a new project, and the project name you have to give it as whatever you want. I'm giving it as a resume ATS code checker and analyzer. So I have created a project. Now we have to create a new service. Here we are going to deploy our backend API. So we choose a new web service. And here there is only one project, that is the AI resume analyzer. You can choose it. And everything is mentioned here in README. Once we choose the web service, to directly we have to set it as backend, and the build command you have to give. So the root directory is backend. The build command is pip install -r recommend.txt, and the start command goes is. You can give it here, and we are going to be with the free version. And you have to update your environment with the Gemini API key. You can copy it. You can enter the value. And now we are good to deploy our website. The deployment is going on. In the meanwhile, we can go for a front-end deployment. Here you have to create a new project. So you have to choose the everything paper. Route directly front-end. You choose it from here. And build the command. URL you have to put there. Backend. This is the one that gets one. Okay, now we're going to do that. Now you could see the logs that it's been successful and it's got deployed. Now we are going to do the other one. This is the resume analyzer app. Here we can test our performance. This failed to fetch. This is expected one since we have not added this endpoint to be accepted. The class is blocking the front end is being called. So go to environments. Need to edit make sure to add it without the selection. Deployed. Now we can check it. Okay, fine, as expected. The front end is got deployed in Vercel and the backend got deployed in Render. So we are good to go and use the deployed server. Yeah.
That's it for this video. If this helped you, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.